this is for the problem number 8. In this Python program, we'll learn about different data types such as integer, float, string, booleans, list, tuple, dictionary, range, and complex number. So let's go each line and understand what it does. Let's go! So first, we need to find our PyCharm app. And then right-click the project 1, go to new and Python file, and put problem number 8. After that, we need to put the code of the problem number 8. So this is the old code of the problem number 8. The first line is the variable a is assigned the value 30 using the end function. So which means it is an integer type or a whole number. And then line 2, this line prints the variable a, its value, and its type. So showing that it belongs to the class int. So line 3, the variable b is assigned the value 4.5 using the float function. A float means a number with a decimal point. So line 4, it prints the variable b, its value and type, showing that it is a class float. So line 5, the variable c is assigned the value 100 but converted into a string using str. A string means a sequence of characters. So line 6, this prints the value and type of c, showing that it is a class or str with a quotation mark. And line 7, the variable d is assigned with bool 1 and the bool open and close parentheses function converts the number 1 into a boolean value, which means true. Line 8, it prints the value and type of d, showing that it is a class or bool with quotation marks. Line number 9, the variable e is created using list and double open parentheses 1, 2, 3 and double close parentheses. This forms a list, which is a collection of ordered and changeable items. So line number 10, it prints the value and type of e, showing that it is a class or a list with quotation marks. Line number 11, the variable f is created using tuple with double open parentheses 4, 5, 6 and double close parentheses. A tuple is also a collection of ordered items but cannot be changed after creation. Line 12, it prints the value and type of f, showing that it is a class and tuple. Line 13, the variable j is assigned a dictionary using dect, open parentheses, name is equals to John with quotation marks, age is equals to 25, close parentheses. So a dictionary stores data in key value pairs. In this case, name is John with quotation mark and age is 25. Line number 14, it prints the value and type of j, showing that it is a class or dect. Line number 15, the variable h is assigned the value range, open parentheses 5, close parentheses. The range, open and close parentheses function generates a sequence of numbers starting from 0 up to 4. Line number 16, it prints the value and type of H, showing that it is a class or range with quotation marks. Line number 17, the variable I is assigned the value complex, open parenthesis, 35, close parenthesis. A complex number contains a real part of an imaginary part. In this case, 3 is the real part and 5 is the imaginary part, written as open parenthesis 3 plus 5j close parenthesis. Line number 18, the last line, is this prints the value and type of I, showing that it is a class complex. And now let's try to run this code. So this is the output or the result. So the program shows different data types and by tune. So the first output, the A30 is an integer, a whole number. Second, B4.5 is a float number with decimal. A third is 100 is a string. It treats the number as text. Down to the last part. So 3.5j is a complex number with real part 3 and imaginary part 5. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.